when Allah wishes good for someone.
Assalamu Alaikum, brother Naim.
Wa assalam, brother Ismail.
I was going to pray. Let's go together.
I was gonna do an important assignment, but if I don't go now, I will be late.
Jama'ah is going to start within a few minutes. There should be no important work except prayer right now, brother.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers. What are you waiting for? Let's go to pray. It's going to start.
Okay, brother, let's go to pray first. I will try to manage my work.
Next day,
Assalamu alaikum, brother. Are you going to pray?
Wa alaikum salam, brother. Yes, what happened to your work yesterday? Did you reach timely?
Brother Ismail, you can't imagine what happened yesterday. I was late, but fortunately, someone else came and helped me to finish my work. It was unexpected. I think I prayed yesterday on time and Allah became happy with me.
Subhanallah, if Allah wishes, anything can happen. We just need to please Him.
Yes, brother, I believe that now, and I believe there is nothing more important than Allah. Let's go to pray together.
MashaAllah, what an example for us. There is a hadith narrated Muawiyah radiallahu anhu that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, when Allah wishes good for someone, He bestows upon him the fiqh, understanding of the religion.
May Allah give us more knowledge about our deen.
Ameen.